Fling here. We're at the Botanical Garden of the Ozarks, and I'm with
Liz Atwell.
Liz Atwell, who's the communications director for the Botanical Gardens. And we wanted to do just a little interview with her to get some information for you guys about the Botanical Gardens. What's important about it?
Well, you can learn so much at a botanical garden. This garden was designed to be very approachable for folks in the area. So we've got, the way it's set up is we have these small backyard gardens is what we call them, or themed gardens, where folks can go in and they can get inspiration and ideas for things that they can do in their own backyard. A lot of the flora and plants that we have here are native. So in fact, we have one of our theme gardens is dedicated strictly to plants native to this region. So you're going to see plants here that can thrive in this environment here in Northwest Arkansas. So that's one of the great benefits. We also have, part of being a botanical garden, we have our plants labeled so folks can learn and see what kind of plants they're seeing. And it's just a really great asset to the community. We're all about encouraging folks to learn more about the natural world around them. Education and environmental awareness is a big part of our mission.
Tell me about the butterfly house. You had mentioned that before.
Yes.
What's so special about having a butterfly house?
So we have the only butterfly house in the state of Arkansas, which we're very proud of, and it's such a unique place because you can go in and you can see the full life cycle of a butterfly, from the very beginning when it's an egg to the chrysalis stage, the caterpillar, the adult butterfly. They fly freely in the butterfly house, so it's really a unique opportunity to get up close and see all those stages. That's not something you get to see every day.
Right.
And for kids, it's really great because it's so much more interactive than looking at it in a textbook or something like that.
Right. So instead of just looking at a picture, they get to actually watch it.
It's completely different when you get to see it in person. It's amazing. Yeah.
Okay, so the Botanical Garden of the Ozarks also is quite the event place.
Yes.
Tell us about that. What kind of events do you have here, and are they available to be rented by the public, or what? Tell us about that.
Yes, so throughout the year we hold about 15 of our own events that help raise money for the garden throughout the year because we are a nonprofit. So we have our Reading of the Garden Gala, we have our Chefs in the Garden Foodie event in September, we have the Firefly Fling Family Festival, which is great for families. We have about 3,000 to 4,000 folks who come out for that every year. We also have our own educational programs that we do here, but then we also do rentals, so weddings, corporate meetings, all kinds of stuff like that. So the garden and the event hall is available to rent as well.
Okay, and if somebody wants to learn more about that, what's the best way for them to find out about it?
They can contact us. They can visit bgozarks.org. That's our website. Kristen Hoover is our assistant director of special events, and she handles all of our rentals. So they can also email her at khoover@bgozarks.org. But they're going to really find a lot of different information on our website.
So let me ask you something. Is there an admission price to get into the Botanical Gardens?
If you are not a member, there is an admission price. It's $7 for adults, and I believe it's $4 for children. Children 4 and under can come in for free. But if you are a member, you get unlimited free admission.
So what town do you live in?
I live in Fayetteville.
Okay, so in all of Fayetteville, what's your favorite restaurant to visit?
Oh, okay. So it's really hard for me because I do love, like, food is like the one thing that I get the most excited about probably. Lately, I'm really I love Petra Cafe. That's one of my favorite places to get lunch. I love Kana Indian Grill. That was a recent discovery for me. I know they've been here for a while, but I recently discovered them and cannot get enough. And I love Taste of Thai.
Why are you from Northwest Arkansas?
I'm not originally. I'm from Little Rock originally.
Okay, so what brought you here?
I came up here to go to college at the university, and then I ended up staying because I loved it so much here.
Nice. Okay.
Yeah. So I've been here since 2001.
Is there anything else you'd like for the public to know about Botanical Gardens? Any special events coming up?
We have our Jingle Bell Jog 5K and Reindeer Fun Run happening on December 1st. Then we're going to do a holiday fine art market on December 8th featuring Art Ventures Northwest Arkansas artists.
Nice.
So it's going to be a great way to get your holiday shopping done and support local art. What would I want folks to know about the garden? It's surprising how many folks who live here have never been here. So I would want them to know that we have a lot to offer, in addition to just being a beautiful place to come visit and a quiet place to kind of get away from the city while you're still in the city. I would encourage folks to get involved with our programs. We have so many programs and we do so much as far as education goes. We also have a lot of just fun events throughout the year. So I would encourage them to check us out online and they can find all of the things that we have to offer.
Okay, great. Thank you. Lake Fayetteville's right around here someplace, isn't it?
Yes, it's right over this way. We are on the east side of Lake Fayetteville, and the Lake Fayetteville Trail runs literally right in front of the garden. So we see a lot of folks who are out on the trail stop in, do a quick stroll through. So yeah, it's a great place to be.
Great, and you are absolutely, it's a beautiful time to come, even though it's a little bit, the trees are a little bit deciduated, but it's still a beautiful day here, and we can hear the water running, and we can hear the birds chirping. So come on out and see the Botanical Gardens. I'm sure if you ask for Liz Atwell, she'll let you have a free walkthrough.
I'd be happy to give anybody, a quick tour.
Okay, all right, great. Thank you so much.
Thanks.